Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another haul for you guys. So during quarantine I've been buying a lot, as a lot of you probably have been. I shopped at Aritzia, I shopped at Lululemon, and a store called Tigermist. So I'm definitely going to show you guys what I bought and how it will look on me. Enjoy! So first item is this Aritzia top. I think it's called the Cayman shirt. I really wanted this for a long time. It's pretty much like a knit crop top. And as you can see in the back, it's like, it's tied up. I think this is what I really liked about it. So you can definitely like tie it to the front and then tie it to the back, but I just tied it to the back. And I think it's like super cute. Next is this red crop top. I definitely wanted this for Canada Day, so Canada Day will be coming up soon. This was on sale actually. Aritzia was having their clientele sale and this was 30% off, so definitely like this material. It's a very like thick material, so it won't show your bra or anything, and it just fits so nicely. Is this tank top. This is called the Tiny Tank. So I do have a short version of it, so there's like a crop version of it, and then I wanted to get the longer version because sometimes like I don't want to show off my stomach, or I don't want to like wear high-waisted, but yeah, I just didn't like the straps. It's like nice and tiny, and then it won't get like a tan line as easily. So my final top from Aritzia is this very cute ruched crop top. I definitely wasn't like a fan, or like not a fan, but like every time I found a top like this at other stores, like my boobs wouldn't like be big enough. So then when I saw the one at Aritzia, I definitely tried it on just to see like what it would look like, and surprisingly it fit me like a glove. So I'm like very happy with this purchase. This top is extra small, so you can see the details. Really happy with it. Like the material is actually like really good. It is this, how would I describe it? It's like a plaid skirt, but then it has like a twist with a bow on it. I've always wanted to find these for a while, but I could never find like the right one. So this one is just so like very gossip girl. But definitely it's like a mini skirt, but it's like long enough that it won't show anything too secretive. And the material on the outside is like a wool, but then on the inside it's like a polyester. The last top that I got from Aritzia, it's kind of like a wrapped crop top, but I liked the style of it. It's very chic, you can wear this to work, and just like it can be casual as well. Next items, these are from Lululemon. This is the free to be moved bra, and I really like wanted a longer line one, so it kind of looked like a crop top, but then I tried the shorter ones and I didn't really like it, but I definitely like how the back of this one looks. And then I bought a pair of black aligned leggings just to match with it. I already have two pairs, so I just wanted a black one, and the aligned leggings are my favorite Lululemon leggings. They're just so comfy and they're so easy to move in that you just like want to be in them like every day. Not sure what this top is called, but I got it off of Poshmark. I really think this is like super cute. Kind of has back like that, but the only reason why I bought it is because I was looking for a wrap kind of like thing in the front, and then this is definitely like a dry fit material. It's like mesh. Overall, I think it's like very flattering. Next item, I just got this off of Nordstrom because they were having a sale. I really like the ringer type shirts, and this is by Nike. It kind of has like the Adidas look, but I like how it's Nike because I'm a big fan of Nike. Next is bathing suit top. This is from the store Ohpolly. So this is the first time I actually bought something from Ohpolly, but I saw this bathing suit online and I was like, oh my gosh, it's so cute. So I definitely wanted to get it. Shipping was like $13. Definitely a fan of ruched things right now, and I love the side detail. It just fits like me perfectly. I have like a hard time finding like good bathing suits, but this did not definitely disappoint. So this is my first dress from Tigermist. This kind of a little bit looks like lingerie, but I really like the pattern, and then as you can see it has like some lace detail and just kind of has that like vintage look. And I was for my birthday, so I was like super happy that it came in time. And then the bottom has like a little lace as well. This look is this kind of like corset dress, but it's like flowy at the bottom. So cute. It's the back. I definitely liked how in the picture like you can like undo these and just like let them flow, but I do not have the facilities to do that unless I wear like a lace bralette. But I like how it like fits my body. This is the third dress. It's kind of like very Vegas clubbing, ruched sides of course. And you can definitely like raise this up or like lower if you want. But this has like a lower back, and then kind of has like that middle to show like you have curves. But this is definitely a polyester material, kind of like a bathing suit material, but it's very, very comfy, very stretchy. And I like how it definitely like fits. This is the final dress. It kind of has like a ruched top, and I like the bows here. This is a cotton material, and this would consider, I guess, like it'd be a mini dress. It's kind of like right by the thighs, but it's definitely very like sweetheart, very cute, and it's perfect for like every day. Just wear a jean jacket over, and you'll definitely stand out. Tigermist definitely does not disappoint. I like their products so much. It's just that they're all the way in Australia, so I can't necessarily always get their items, especially since shipping to Canada is such a pain for most countries. So I'm very happy that I ended up getting these because I do not want to return them for sure. But that is the end of my haul. I hope you guys enjoyed that. If you guys have any recommendations where I should shop or make a haul next, please comment below. I definitely like seeing your guys' comments. I will leave all of my descriptions below to the products that I wore today. Please go check out my other videos. I recently uploaded a garage haul and some makeup tutorials as well. So I will see you guys next time.